Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and today's video, guys, we will do unboxing with Calor PURETEX, the first 4-in-1 steamer for all household textiles. So here, guys, there's a 3 exclusive multi-pad system, which is you can use in 4 different ways: disinfect, steamer, cleaning, and perfume. This steamer, guys, is very powerful because it can boost up to 90 grams per minute. This is very fast because in 25 seconds it's ready. Okay, so next, it can kill all the bacteria. Okay, the virus. Okay, so what are you guys waiting for? Let's start.
So this is how it looks like, guys, but it's better if we open it. Okay, first the manual and the quick start guide. So this is the steamer, guys, with 2.5 meters cord with 3 different heads depending on use you want to make. So here you can adjust the brand, 220 to 240 volts, button on and off, steamer trigger. This pad diffuses perfume or uses steam on delicate textiles or items. These heads are magnetized. In velvet for perfect glide and durable with no damage. Lint and hair remover plus microfiber. Storage box for 2 heads is provided. So here you can put perfume, 3 drops maximum, any perfume you want. It has a good grip, it is neither too heavy nor too light, and the electric cord measures 2.5 meters, which is very correct. So now we're gonna open because we will put water in the tank. Okay, so as you saw, guys, it's easy and not complicated to open. So I'm just wondering why I have some water inside already. I haven't used it, so it makes me wonder.
Okay, so it's not too heavy. For me, it's okay because I love to do sports. No problem, even it's heavy. Okay, so yeah, a while ago you saw, guys, there is a water inside. So I'm just wondering how it could be because it was unboxed. So just be careful, but I will not return it. I will use it now. I will use it today, and I will show you guys on how to use it. So before starting, we have to put water inside. Just push this one, and there is like dots here. Okay, you just have to put your thumb and your middle finger here. Okay, and then push this one, and then okay, so now we will put some water so we can start. Okay, guys, so there's a water inside, and now I'm put like this. Push. Okay. Next, we will put the socket. Okay. So okay, guys, now I will turn on here. Okay, we will wait 25 seconds. So as you can see, you know, so I think when it's ready it will stop. Wow, so fast. Okay, so here guys, the boost. Okay, so if you want more, just press this. Okay, and it's 1, 2. Okay, so now I prepare this clothes. Okay, so we will try this. As you can see guys, it's too. So we will see if it will be smooth. Okay. Oh. Oh shoot. Look at the error. I forgot to put the pad. Just sometimes when you are excited.
So if you guys are searching for steamer, fast and easy to use, this device, it is indeed the case. To smooth the laundry, nothing could be simpler. Just put water in the tank, turn on, adjust the steam flow, wait about 25 seconds and the turn is played. Obviously guys, you can see my clothes. It's really smoothen, which is its primary function, but also disinfect, and for me it's really topical, you know, and also dry clean, you know, like your coat, the one you cannot put in the washing machine, and even perfume guys, you can put perfume to your clothes so you know it smells good. So yeah, for me it's amazing. So guys, you have to turn on always because it's automatically turned off. Okay, so you have to press 2 times to begin again. So today I'm showing you guys on how to steam the fabrics because that is the main function of this steamer. But next video guys, I will show you on how to use the other pads, like on how to remove animal hair from textiles, how to clean the house with this steamer. That will be on my next video guys. So please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and please don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be updated on my new videos.
Guys, look at this. Wow, it's too fast. I did fast and it's very easy to use. Okay, so you don't have to wait for a long time to make it ready. In just 25 seconds guys, it's ready. So if you guys are in a hurry always, you need this. Even for travel, you can bring this. I'm so happy to have this guys. So yeah, I recommend this one if you guys don't like to do iron like this, you know, like the old way. And I hate to do iron, I don't know why, but yeah, I'm happy to have this. I'm sitting here and I do like this. Wow. It's too easy. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will cut this video because it's getting long, and on the next video guys I will show you how to use the other pads. Okay, the other ways on how to use the other pads. And yeah, I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more views, and yeah, see you again in my next vlog. Bye.